In the previous video, we have encountered a problem. So let's go to the layout file. You can see that when we try to use tag helpers in the layout file, we have to add the tag helpers like this. And also when we are trying to use tag helpers in the categories view here, you also have to add tag helpers like this. In fact, we have been experiencing this problem in the past lessons. So look at this. When we are trying to use the category class, we have to import a namespace like this. And we did this in the index file. We did this in the edit file. And in the future, when we work on different other classes, we will encounter the same problem. So is there a place where we can centralize these using statements as well as add tag helpers, this type of statements? Yes, there's a special view we can add to enter the views folder, and that is called _view import. So let's go ahead and add the view. So just add a regular reserved view that is empty, and then we will have to name it as _view imports. And then we can put our using statement, add tag helpers, all of those type of statements in here to centralize them. So let's go into edit. We can remove this, go to index. We can copy and cut this. Go to home. Home is fine. Go to layout file. We can delete the add tag helpers. And let's go to the view imports file and just paste it over here. So how does it work? This works a little bit similar to the _view start. However, _view start is used at runtime, right? Everything that is within the view start file is executed before the actual view files are executed. Here in the _view imports file, these statements are used at compile time. So once I paste it over here, if we go back to edit, you can see that the category becomes color-coded. Here, category is color-coded, and the tag helpers color-coded as well. In the layout file, the tag helpers are also highlighted. So you can see the purpose of this view imports file, which help us to centralize all of the using statements and add tag helpers, right? We don't have to add them in each and every single view. That's everything I want to cover in this video, and I will see you in the next one.